SFG, I put $20 in, you guys. 50-cent bet. Check out them progressives. Let's see what we can get, you guys. Come on, baby. Okay. Let me just get up. All right. 50-cent bet, baby. Oh man, I wish they would have went all the way across. They're still good. Come on. 1806, you guys. 50-cent bet is doing it. SFG. A few more spins in, you guys, and I got the bonus. Okay, let's see what we can get. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right now. Tap that bell. Turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to enter my cash giveaway. The only thing you have to do is subscribe. Come on. Save it. Oh, okay. That's still good. $23 and counting. Yes, indeed. SFG, I finally got that bonus, you guys. I cashed my ticket out, put $20 in, and we got it. Let's see what can we get. Hopefully it be awesome. Been this long. Come on now, you gotta give me something. All the way. Oh. It's a good one. Come on. Been waiting too long for you to not give me that now. Y'all give me something. Y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. If you haven't got your gamma box, the link is in the description below and also in the pinned comment. Oh. Okay. It's a pretty good line hit right there. 1440. Oh, and that's what it did to me. I waited for you though. SFG. Look at those numbers, you guys. A couple spin after the bonus. I went up to $1.50 bet. Oh my god, let's see what we can get. That's huge for $1.50 bet. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe right now. Turn on your post notifications and come on, save it. Bring some more big balls. Come on, land it. Don't stop. Land it. Oh my goodness. All of those huge balls flown by. And that's what it did to me. But I'm grateful for that. It's amazing for $1.50 bet. Okay. $103. Absolutely awesome. They came out for y'all. 103. So FFG, I moved over to Tiki Fire, you guys. Look at those progressives. When your girl bet 50 cents, I got the bonus, as you guys can see. Now, let's see what we can get. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, turn on your post notifications. Come on. Give me something. And don't forget to check the description for the cash giveaway, you guys. And the link for the gamma box will be in the pinned comment. Come on, re-trigger would be nice. Oh! Okay. I guess I can say that wasn't too bad. Let's turn it down a little bit. Okay. One more. There we go. Got it again, you guys. Check that out. Yes. Come on, Major. Or the Grand. I'll take both. Or one. I ain't gonna be greedy. Just give me a full screen or something. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, just give me a full screen or something. What I'm talking about. Give your girl something. Come on. Come on. Re-trigger, please. Oh, one more spin. Yes. Re-trigger. That's what you want on them free games, you guys. And you get 6. One thing I like about lightning links. Come on. Give me something. 50-cent bet, we gonna try to get something. Oh my goodness. Now, that is good, y'all. That is awesome. Yep. That's what I like about Tiki Fire. And especially a Heartthrob. Those 2-time multipliers, they can play massive, you guys. Let's watch this run it up. Run it up. Run it up. And you know she's the top symbol. So yeah, that's good. And I got the bird, so they're even better. Oh yeah, buddy. Keep it coming. I got 4 more spins left. Bring them on, baby. Let's let that count up and see how much we actually got. We need to drop that major down here with 5 friends. Okay, 41.94. Let's go. Oh, do it again. Do it again, buddy. Yeah, a guy was sitting at this machine and it just kept paying out like huge. Of course, he was betting more than me, but you know, people think you have to bet big to win the progressives, but you really don't. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, 54.58 on a 50-cent bet. That's what I'm talking about. Let's do some backup spins. You can do it again. You can do it again if you want to. Oh, look at that. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Come on. Drop that major. I don't want to max it out. It'll be nice if it maxed out, but go on and drop it now. Come on. Come on. Or just fill up the whole screen. I'll be happy about that. Y'all hit that like button for good luck. Because Tiki Fire is on fire. Okay, keep them going, keep them going. Keep them going, baby. Come on, 2 more. Ooh, get it. Come on, get it. 1 more, save it, get it. Oh, I didn't get it. That's okay, cause that still is awesome, y'all. Still awesome. Check that out. For a 50-cent bet, it's pretty much back-to-back bonus. So yeah, that's good. That's awesome. 82.45. Take it. Since I don't want to get, look, as soon as I change it to 50 cents, y'all see what happened? Sometimes it just don't be want to hit on those big bets. I have no idea. But if I would have continued with $1, it probably would have hit. So we will never know. Come on, give me some big balls, big balls. Seen that minor flash, save it. There you go. There you go. Save the, come on. Oh, it didn't. We got two minutes though. That's nice, right? Real nice. $29 win. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's see. We'll go. Okay, we got it on $1. Not too big of a, you know, the numbers are kind of small, but we still gonna take it. We still gonna take it, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like this video. Okay. The end of my cash giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe. If you don't have your Gamble Boss by now, you guys, check that description and also the pinned comment. Save it. Oh, that miner is rolling through. Okay. It needs to land. I don't need to keep on rolling by. That defeat the purpose of rolling by. Land it. Come on. Save it. Save it. Bam. Okay. We saved it. We saved it. Land miner. You done. Oh, it was almost there. Almost doesn't count till you landed. Oh. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Some nice win right there. Nice win. $15 win. Let's do it.